Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are all doing good. If you are viewing this channel for the first time, you are welcome. This is a platform where we learn how to cut patterns in different styles. Kindly subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell for you to be notified whenever I upload a new video so that you won't miss out. And for those that have already subscribed, I really thank you. In today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to cut sweater neckline. So I'll be using paper to demonstrate to you on how to cut sweater neckline. So here is the paper that I'm going to use to demonstrate to you. I have 16.5 inches for the length of my sweater blouse. Then I have the width of 12 inches. So I'm going to take my bust point. So the bust point I will be using is 11 inches. Under bust is 13 inches. The 16.5 will be for the length of the blouse. So I'm going to make a straight line. Let me label it BP, under bust and waistline. That's the length of the fabric. Now I'm going to take my shoulder line. So the shoulder line we are working with is 16 inches. So we are going to divide it by 2. So that will give us 8 inches. So I'm going to mark my 8 inches here. Then I will come here and mark the neck width. Neck width of 3 and neck depth of 3 inches. So I'm going to connect the line together. You can use your hand to connect it if you don't have a cuff ruler. So 3 inches of neck width and 3 inches of neck depth. So I'm going to connect it together. You can use your hand if you don't have ruler. If you don't have cuff ruler, so you can use your hand. So that's it. I'm going to come down by half an inch. Under the shoulder line, I will mark half an inch. I will connect the half an inch to the neck width. I think you are seeing what I'm doing. Since the chalk is not clear enough, so I'm going to use marker to trace the line. I marked 3 inches for the neck width and 3 inches for the neck depth. Neck width 3 inches, neck depth of 3 inches. Then I marked 8 inches for my shoulder line. I came down by half an inch for the shoulder slope. So I'm going to mark it now. I'm going to take my chest line. So the chest line we are working with is 9 inches. So I'll mark 9 inches. Then I'm going to mark a straight line across it. So that will be for the chest line. So I'm going to name it as CH. I will mark a straight line down to the chest line. So that will be our armhole. That's going to be for the armhole. I will look for the midpoint. So you take the midpoint. That's the midpoint. You come in by half an inch. We are going to take the bust. So the bust I will be working with is, so the bust is 38 inches. So we are going to divide 38 inches by 4. That will give us 9.5. Give us 9.5. So we are going to take the bust measurements at the chest line. 38 divided by 4. So that's it. Now I'm going to connect the line together. So that's the armhole line. Next thing is to take the body measurement. So the bust line we've already marked here, 9.5. Then you mark the under bust. Under bust is 32. 32 divided by 4. That will give us 8 inches. So you are going to mark your 8 inches. And the waistline, so the waistline is 39. 39 divided by 4, that will give us 9.75. So we are going to mark the 9.75. This is ready. We are going to connect the chest line to the underbust, the underbust to the waistline. So that's it. Now we are going to cut it out. Now we are going to cut the sweetheart neck out. I'll be using the neck width of 8.5 inches. Let me mark a straight line, 8.5 inches. Now I'm going to mark the length of where I want the heart to start from. So I'll mark 7 inches. So this is where I want my neck to start from. So this is 7 inches. Then I will come to the neck depth. Remember, I marked neck depth of 8.5 inches. I will come in by 4 inches from the line. I'm going to mark a straight line. Then from where I marked 7 inches, so this is where my neck is going to start from here. Then I'm going to connect it to the neck depth of 8.5 inches. Use my ruler to do that. After doing that, you are going to come up by half an inch. Come in by half an inch so that you'll be able to connect your neck to meet with the 7 inches. I'm going to mark straight line or a cuff line. We are going to cut it out now. All you have to do is to mark half an inch here for you to be able to connect it. So this is the outcome of it. This is a sweetheart neckline. It is very simple to cut, so I urge you to try yours as well and cut it out. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe and click on the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video.